Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn about what are the different branches of the legal system. Branches of the legal system. How many branches of the legal systems are there? Yes, there are two. One is criminal law, one more is civil law. Okay, students should be listening carefully. Here, the case of the dowry, death falls within what is considered a crime against society and is a violation of criminal law. In addition to criminal law, the legal system also deals with civil law cases. Okay, first see here deals with conduct or act that the law defines as a offense. Example: thief, arson, a woman, dowry, murder. See, if anyone will do thief, if anyone steals some of the things from others, is the thief. So it is coming under the criminal case. If anyone will hurt any other woman, it is coming under the criminal case only. If you do murder or if you ask for dowry, also will coming under the criminal case only. So students, see, deal with conduct or act that the law defines as a offense. Next, see here in civil law, under that deals with any harms or injury to the right of individually. For example, disputes relating to sale of land, purchase of goods, rent matters, divorce cases. If any individual matters are there, that matters are coming under the civil case. So, according the civil law, they may be punished by the court. See, if you cheat others' land, when you are selling at the time, you may not to pay to government tax, or which goods are you are purchasing, it is not there properly. Evidence, the rent matters also not there properly. If you want to take divorce with your wife or with your husband, this all matters all coming under the civil cases. So you must have to take care of your life. Students, you are listening about what are the coming under the criminal case, what are the coming under civil case. About more details you will see here. Next is second point. It usually begins with the loading of a first information report, that is FIR, with the police who investigate the crime, after the which a case is filed in the court. See, after the getting, immediately the case will be filed. It is FIR. After that, you before the 24 hours you will be present in the court. Then they will investigate about your case. As a here, according to the civil law, a patient has to be filed before the relevant court by the affection party only. What you want to get justice from opposition, you have to take some of that. About this all things, now you have to see properly each one. Legal system, information security, you may observe here. Here, what are the two important legal systems? One is a civil, one more is a criminal. Civil laws and criminals are entirely there, just a little bit difference. So you have to be careful and listen about these two different systems. Students, first see here civil laws. Widely, bills voted by electives. Students, listen, observe properly here. See, what are the bills which are there commonly. That one you have to keep with you whenever you are getting any purchase of the things. Why? Because that is your evidence. If evidence is not there properly, means if proof is not there properly, the court may not accept your argument. Why? Because court is independent body, court wants evidence. So that's why wherever you are going, whatever things you are doing, whatever may be, you have to keep with you evidence properly. Why? Because the civil cases are coming under the individual matters, isn't it or not? Yes. So bills voted by the electives, you may observe here in democratic government, people are electing their government, okay, directly, isn't it or not? Yes, it is. People are electing their government directly. But what are the facilities they have? They may ask the government, then government may do that work after the form of the government. Next, see here, codified laws status. See here, USA, according the USA court, you may observe entirely some little bit difference our Indian, okay, civil laws and USC and United States court laws, civil laws are entirely different. So we have to observe. Not only that, in our India and not only in America, even in Canada and even UK, United Kingdom, which is known as England, at the place also is there entirely different, okay, according that based on the constitution. But entirely you observe properly that all are there just commonly, okay, it will come as, okay. Next year, legislative branches develop this legislature, they will, okay, make bill, that bill become the law, which is accepted by the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and then the after that president may accept, then after it bill become the law. After onwards, everyone, those who have there in India, everyone must have to follow. Judicial branches review interpretations, you may observe here, especially in our India, judiciary, executive, and you may observe legislature. Judiciary is an independent body, executive is which is getting from the legislature notice that all they are implementing, you may know, student. No, we see here and commonly laws and judicial traditions, laws suppressed and change in the society, you may observe. Then religious interpretations, okay. Next, you may observe what are the problems are there in religions matters, according that also you may observe. For the, okay, Muslims, okay, Islamic methods they may follow, okay, their holy book is Quran, and Christians they will follow their book is Bible, and Hindus they will follow Bhagavad Gita, like that, etc. Different, okay, Judaism, Hinduism, and Jainism, Sikhism, different, okay, religions are there in our India. Like that, different customs also everyone have. Okay, let's see here criminal laws. Okay, here you know, especially some are the entirely with mix with civil laws and admin laws, you may observe. Okay, society safe. Why? Because here CFAA, ECPA, IFADA, like this different society, okay, unions will be there. They can argue, they can ask some of the, okay, supports for their groups. Why? Because they are doing some dharnas, strikes, or some rights, etc. Okay, why? Because community matters which are coming under the criminal laws, but individual matters are coming under the civil laws. Okay, you observe here. Okay, some of that. Okay, person. Okay, financial, death. Okay, these all are coming under the criminal laws. Okay, burden of proof, resolvable depth. You observe deals with conduct or acts that the law defines as offense. I said no, as thieves. Okay, then forcing a woman to be bring more dowry, murder. This all matter, all cases are coming under the criminal law. So, criminal law is a very most important. If found guilty, the accused can be sent to jail and also fined. If anyone will do like this, for the punishment is there, jail or known as a prison, as well as they have to pay fine also. So for that is entirely different. Now see here some of that civil, including with criminal laws. Okay, tort law, okay, society order. You may observe. And 6 damages, failed due to care, status arbitrate, admin, plaintiff. Okay, preponderance of evidence, less proof, financial penalties, governance, etc. Okay, status, you may observe status story, which is giving about background of that particular group community according in the constitution. What are the laws which are for that, you may observe. So actually they are getting profit or loss, whatever may be, it is under the law they are following or not, that one court may see. Next, compensatory and punitives acts for the grave. These all are the coming under the both civil and criminal laws. See some of that relevant admin laws, regulations, policy, procedures, executive and enforce criminal, civil laws, government compliance. You may observe. Sometimes this all situation will be happen. Regulation. Okay, according to the Regulation Act. Previously you have studied now, like that you may know. Anyway, students, you may observe here some of that civil laws, some are criminal laws. Both have some different laws. According that only, people will be get punishment. If they may do any mistake, they have to bear that punishment. So like this, more explanation. You have to see these things. Okay, classification of the law you may observe here. Okay, why classification laws are important? What are the different branches of legal systems? In this you may observe, first of all, why classification laws important. Okay, all legal rules can be grouped into the broad categories according to their types. Classifications. A rules classification tells us the situation to which it applies and how to apply in relevant to other rulers. So which is known as, we may say, classification laws. A rules classification tell us the situation to which it applies and how to apply in relation to other rules. Now see here classification of laws. One is civil laws, one more is criminal laws. Under the civil laws you may observe substantive laws and procedural laws. Under the criminal laws, substitution and procedural you may observe. All laws is classified as either criminal or civil. Both criminal and civil laws are made up of substantive laws and procedural laws. That's why students you have to see here previously in you have studied in fourth chapter at the time how a new civil law was passed in 2006 to protect women against domestic violence. See, at home, if you are giving to only work to women, it is coming or considered as a domestic work. Why? Because in a house both are equal, wife and husband, both have to do household work. We should not give to only his wife that particular work. Why? Because she how to cook and see how to clean house, see how to wash vessels, see how to wash clothes, see how to clean house, and see how to go to work and earn money, and doing lot of this work. It is considered as a domestic violence. So both have to do their household work. Then that family will be settled and both are sharing hard work of their families. So their family will be their entirely happiness. Why? Because she may not bear this all household work. Then she will face lot of the burden, painful life. She will get entirely different critical situation in her life. That's why students, the civil according the civil law and according the criminal law, that house owner will be punished. Why? Because he should not do like that. He should not give only that work to his wife, all the work of his family. So he have to do, and in his family who are maybe everyone have to do that works. So the above case of the dowry death falls within what is considered a crime against society and is a violation of criminal law. In addition to criminal law, the legal system also deals with the civil law cases. Now see here a difference between the civil and criminal laws. Civil law, you observe purpose, right, duties of individual to each others. Civil law you may investigate and do only for the individual, but criminal cases you observe for the purpose to protect the society. Violence you may observe in the between both entirely different civil cases and criminal cases. Now see here about criminal laws. Crimes are generally defined by state and are classified as follows. Felina and you may observe one more person in their case what did happen. Now see here next about civil laws. A tort is a wrongful act for which the law provides a remand, typically in the form of the monetary damages. What are the maybe will be happen torts are based upon the rules of the conducted which each member of the society is expected to the confront. So international and uninternational matters, what are the maybe is there? Okay, civil law which may give the judgment. So according the civil law they will be punished. Why? Because if one person will come to India, he will be settled in India from other country. Okay, if he may not to follow our Indian rules, he will be punished. Or if any our India matters is there, okay, about any other countries, so the both countries cases will go to the international court. Though according the international here, assault, battery and trespass. Okay, uninternational, okay, negligence you may observe, strict liberty, okay, defective products. For doing, okay, business in any country, liberty is there according the allowing of the government of that particular country. But if you are doing trading or business in that particular country, if you will not follow that country rules and regulations, then you will be punished. So whatever may be, whatever things you are doing, what are the, okay, business you are starting, you can do any country, but they have some fundamental rights, they have some laws, they have constitution. According that also we have to follow, and we respect, and we obey, and we implement their laws, rules and regulations. Okay students, see here about civil laws. Now let you see students one more time about civil laws. A tort is a wrongful act for which the law provides a remedy, typically in the form of monetary damage. Torts are based upon rules of conduct which each member of society is expected to conform. Next is here substantive words procedural. What is the difference between substantive laws and procedural laws? Students, here substantive laws and procedural laws. Here purpose, create a defined rights or duties. Here according the procedural laws, purpose provides the mechanism to enforce substantive rights and duties. Here substantive law tell you what you can and cannot do, but procedural law tell the government what process to use and how to address a situation where someone has not followed. Next here, for example, substantive law. All substantive laws is either public or private. Example of the substantive laws prohibiting criminal conduct such as murder, spending, okay, haspling, and forcing a woman to bring dowry, thief. Laws prohibited violence of individual rights and duties such as wrongful termination, sexual harassment, etc. You may observe. Now here see public and private. What is the difference? Private laws consist of rules that involve the relationship of private individual to each other. Most civil law is private law, including tort law, contract law, and most property law. Public laws consist of rules that involve the relationship of government to societies. Like this, you have to see, students. Okay, students, it is about different branches of the legal system. Read textbook properly and learn more. Bye, students. Bye bye.